Imagine walking into work one day and finding a robot at your desk. Scary, right? But could this be our future? In this video, we'll explore a crucial question: can AI really replace your job? AI is rapidly evolving. It streamlines processes, enhances efficiency and reduces costs. Many fear it may take over jobs. But is this fully true? Let's dive deeper. First, we need to understand what AI does. AI is trained to analyze data. It learns from patterns and makes predictions. While it can perform many tasks, it still relies on human input. Think of AI as a powerful tool, but not a replacement. Let's break down the jobs most affected. Repetitive tasks are prime for automation. For instance, manufacturing and data entry are often done by machines now. However, jobs requiring creativity, empathy, or critical thinking are still uniquely human. Next, let's look closer at industries. In healthcare, AI assists doctors with diagnostics. In finance, it helps analyze market trends. Yet, both fields still depend on human expertise to interpret results and make decisions. So, what does this mean for the workforce? It doesn't mean widespread job loss. Instead, it suggests a shift in skill requirements. Workers need to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace technology. Consider this real-world example. In retail, AI chatbots handle customer inquiries. But who resolves complex issues? Human employees. This showcases a collaboration rather than a replacement. To sum up, AI will change the job landscape, but it won't erase jobs entirely. Embrace the change. Upskill and be ready for new opportunities. The future is about collaboration between humans and AI. Take a moment to reflect on your job. How can you integrate AI tools? Explore online courses, attend workshops, and upskill. Stay ahead of this technological wave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Let's navigate this future together.